Hi. We've all had different understandings of what love is, what attraction is, and how different one is from the other. To understand what love is in a poetic and abstract way would be useless. But this is why we have science. In this video, we will show you the scientifically proven way to make someone attracted to you. Here we see three pairs of couples. We have Juan and Juanda, Bridget and Jenalyn, and Pater and Jet.
One of the best ways to make someone fall in love with you or at least attracted to you, according to science, is to utilize your senses. David Parrott, in his book, talked about how the sight of someone, most especially their faces, tend to make you more attracted to them, and that the sight of somebody's face is crucial to attraction. According to Eva Kaiden, Akari Hagiwara, and Venkatesh N. Murthy, smell is particularly important in the production of serotonin and dopamine. Smell stimulates nerves in the nose, which sends messages directly to the brain. When we smell something nice, or in this case, someone nice, the receptors in the amygdala respond by releasing dopamine and serotonin. Finally, Paul J. Zak tells us of oxytocin, or the Cupid's hormone, whose production we can stimulate by bonding with someone or even just listening to them and hearing them. These are enough to trigger the production of this love hormone and thus make someone more attractive or attracted to you. One of the fundamental hormones necessary to make someone attracted to you or to make someone happy in general is serotonin. The production of serotonin could be stimulated by eating aphrodisiacs or food high in simple carbohydrates like bread, pastries, chocolates, and the like, for these increase insulin levels and allow more tryptophan, the natural amino acid building block for serotonin, to enter our brains. Jack Schaffer, PhD, tells us that mirroring is an essential nonverbal sign or body language to tell someone you are attracted to them or to make them attracted to you. He says, mirroring can help establish rapport and build a bond, thus stimulating the production of oxytocin. It is a subconscious signal to the person that you like them, and in turn, they are predisposed to like you if you mimic their movements when you communicate. In summary, the mere exposure effect, also called the familiarity principle, suggests that the mere exposure to a stimulus or to someone increases our liking for it or for them. This comes in the forms of communicating with them often, knowing their likes and dislikes, what they find funny, among others. Furthermore, according also to the propinquity effect, proximity is also an equally vital factor. Therefore, seeing someone often and making them happy, which stimulates the production of different hormones, greatly increases their liking for you. Finally, we have the matching hypothesis theory. Essentially, it argues that we are likely to be attracted to someone who looks just as or equally as handsome or beautiful as ourselves. But Coy Cheshire from UC Berkeley says that a lot of people still opt into choosing someone out of their league in a research with his colleagues with online dating sites. And a research by Jia Tao et al. Says that beyond the matching hypothesis theory is also the importance of networks or relationships we build through different personalities and with different personalities. So go for it. It is risky science, but it is still science nonetheless. Find someone you feel attracted to and use these steps to make them feel the same. The only way to properly end this video is to remind you to please use these steps responsibly.